put a carport top building. And just working on this pad, I've had to build this dirt up to get it level. So I'm gonna measure out 20 by 36, put about 4 stakes in the ground, and then I'm gonna put some twine on these stakes, just in a square, a rectangle, and we'll get a line level and just level it out and see where we're at on this pad that I need to bring the soil up or take some down. Actually just found this right here. Looks like a rock to me, but man, it's almost like a glass. I mean, it's really completely see-through. You can see my finger tapping on the other side. Anyway, back to the pad. Pretty much done. I'm not gonna say 100% done, but I mean, you can see had to take down the driveway some. I took the dirt from the driveway and build up, like I said, this side down here. Here, I'll go around the track code. You can see that side. You see where it's built up there. I used the track code tracks to pack it down pretty good. Walk on this western side over here. There you can see where it's built up. Thought about put some railroad ties, maybe in, around here and on the back side, on the eastern side where the rocks are. I even thought about putting rocks. Got a bunch of rocks on this land. spot up here to butt this next log against it. So next I'll just I'll get another log and do the same thing. Okay, so here at the end of the day, I feel pretty good about what we got accomplished today. You can see in the background that stone wall, which is basically my retaining wall. How big the rocks are. It's just packed down on the side. That's the one I was talking about. Looks like an airhead stuck in the ground. I thought that was pretty cool. All the way down. Take to the top of the pad here. You can see that'll all be filled in with gravel. That's the plan, and build up a little ways. But it's pretty flat through here, and that's the logs we placed earlier. Figured 2 logs will get it pretty good. So just step down. Coming down this way, we can see again the what we did earlier with the logs. Again, I feel pretty good about it. I think it's good to go. So I ordered some gravel today, and I think this might actually be my guy in front of me with the gravel truck. I told him I'd probably be out here at the land about 9:30 or 10 o'clock. And I think I just happened to get behind him here on the roadway, but I'll find out in a minute if he pulls into the property.